Hello everyone, welcome to TOYSREVIL. I'm gonna do a couple of unboxings of Knuckles Custom Monster World. I snagged these at Hozo Collections in Singapore. Also, fair warning, these were already opened and might help me put them back into the box, which I'm grateful for. So this is not as much as of a surprise unboxing as it is literal unboxing of the figures inside for content. Yeah, first let me put this aside. Let's have a look at the box. Produced by How to Works, actually, based on Headlock Studios character designs. Nice. These were pretty pricey. At first, when I purchased, the priciest I've ever gotten was Pop Mart's Mark II, was it? MK2 with Labubu. That's 25 Sing, but these tipped it to 30 per, so it's frankly a bit more than I'm used to paying for an action figure, or rather for a blind box figure. But at the same time, I saw online videos of how the figures are in interchangeable parts, and so that was a major selling point for me. So yeah, I just had to see for myself what's going on. So let me open up what's in this box. Even technically I know what I am purchasing, I'm not sure what box holds which figure lah, if that makes any sense. Being so tender. This is the bag that came with it. Headlock Studio. I mean, I like it that it's black. Blind bag lah. So what do I have? I have an accessory. Nice, a fez hat. You see what the fez hat does. And then this is the figure itself. Ta-da! This guy. Let me see, does the fez hat, is it magnetic? I'm not sure it's magnetic. I've not researched so far into the figures themselves. I assume it's magnetic, but yeah, assumptions, or it's just placed on. Yeah, it's not magnetic, it's just placed on. Yeah, placed on, not magnetic. What was I thinking? Anyway, Fez, this is the character itself. Let's have a turn around. PVC. I don't own this. Is my first ever Headlock Studio figure. I've seen them online plenty. I've never really blogged about them as much as I would like to, because yeah, I couldn't figure out further details too, and I don't like to just put photos, but man, that might change. Articulation, arms, looking at the sculpts and the production, I mean, pretty legit lah. The paint app is pretty sweet, pretty even, pretty clean. Markings on the feet. Yeah, all around pretty cool. Pretty cool guy, Triple I. And also, for folks that have just tuned in, I'm recording this live on my Instagram on a landscape format, so you gotta tilt your phone because this is your vertical format, but you can tilt your phone this way, because after this I'll export and re-edit it and go to my YouTube, as most of my videos do. Anyway, this is this dude and he's here. I'll leave him standing here. I like the shadow cast. Ta-da! Second box. And I apologize in advance if I'm not reading your comments, because this camera is tilted on the side, so bear with me. Ooh, how I wish this was magnetic, the Fez hat, but it's not. Okay, give up. Have a look at the box again for folks who are just tuning in. Yeah, like I mentioned before, my first ever, this will be my second ever Headlock Studio figure. Gotta figure out where, yeah, this is the creasing. This was the opened part of the box, so let me cut into it. For folks who have just tuned in I missed out what I started on the beginning. I purchased this from Ozo Collection as already open figures. So there wasn't a surprise mystery, because these were his only remaining figures, or so I thought. Headlock Studio. Let's go right in. I know what I'm getting, but it's fun to see it anyway. So yes, I got Frankie, and these were the one of the 2 of 3 figures that were opened and available. Actually, there were more but I was slow in the uptake. Anyway, so I wanted this guy, the grey guy. It looks like a blank. It is a blank, but appreciate the mix and matching of the bottom torso, the arms, the neck, articulations, and the key thing. I'll do a quick turn now before I turn into the key things. The key thing about this figure, which I saw online, which appealed to me, were that the parts are interchangeable. Let's have a try. Let's have a try. Is it easy to? Can. Pegged. And socket. Let's have a try. Wow, I love it, man. I can easily fix whatchamacallit, mix and match. So multiple figures, mix and match. I don't know, can the arms? Yeah, the arms can do it as well. Nice. Not hard. Ooh, why like that? Why like that? Ooh, not all the figures can mix and match. Ah, now I get it. Now I get it. This protrusion is, yeah, it doesn't fit. Yeah, it doesn't fit. So I was wrong. Unless there's a mistake here. It feels like it. Oh, okay. Let me pull it out. Yeah, there was an issue. So as you can see here, that means this was supposed to be stuck on this, but the whole thing got pulled out. Wow. Okay, I'll fix it again later. So it's supposed to do like this. Okay, get it, Frankenstein? So this is how it goes. Okay. This is how it goes. Change to a pair of black pads. Now let me try and fix. Can the heads? Yes, the heads can do too. Nice. Yeah, there it is. Mix and match. Then to me, that's a huge part of the playability, which I really appreciate. And to me, factors into the cost and the easing of the pain of the wallet, that the figures are playable, if that makes sense. That makes more sense. The price point, understand what I tell myself. Yeah, so this is a bit busted, isn't it? So unless I super glue it into the socket. Sorry, I'm not in a huge rush. So let me see if I can. Nah, I don't think I can make it, man. Don't think I can make it. I cannot make it. I think I'll leave it out somehow or other. I might super glue it somewhere, somehow. And I'll switch this guy back. Bit of a bummer that it's like this. Sure, folks can say, oh, it's just a little bit of super glue. Yeah, but then I have to go and get the super glue. I don't have it ready in hand. So yeah, busted figure. Damn it. It's slowly pissing me off. Not as much. I'm trying to get myself not pissed off. Yeah, so yeah. Busted hand. 2 figures. Can lah. Frankenstein lah. Huh? Custom Monster World. Question is, would I ever buy more of these? I would if I could afford it. Simple as that. I would if I could afford it, but I cannot afford it at this point in time. Be to buy online or in person, I really don't know. I gotta figure this out somehow rather, or maybe it just hinges on this being able to be fixed. If not, yeah, I don't really, yeah, you can see the paint scraped off, so probably this was glued to this. Nah, screw it. This goes back in. Sorry man, I can't hide my disappointment. This goes in, and somehow rather let me rubber band this so it doesn't disappear, as small as the figures are. Yeah, so it's rubber banded, if that makes any sense. So this is confined to his cardboard coffin, never to be unveiled again until I get super glue. Yeah, I gotta do the rubber band thingy. Sorry man, it's pretty low tech, but this is how it's done. Sealed. So this guy is open with a non-magnetic fez, which frankly serves no purpose. Oh gosh, yeah, sorry man, can't hide my disappointment. Monster fez cap, nice sculpting-ish, but nothing groundbreaking. Let's not go that far. And the details and printing, at least in the finishing, it's commendable. PVC, that's all toys are these days. And that's it. I'll leave this guy lying here, and yeah, go about my way. The rest of my is today Friday? Yeah, it's Friday, movie night. I'll go about my way. Thank you for tuning in. I'll say bye for now, and once I have an opportunity, my time is limited these days. So as soon as I have an opportunity, I'll do an unboxing. Yeah, I'll see you all again soon. Bye bye.